What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. So as we are getting close to the OnePlus 9 series event, we have now a pricing of the OnePlus 9 series. As according to the tipster from Twitter, Abhishek Yadav, we have the pricing of the OnePlus 9 series including the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9R. So based on the leak information, we have a key specifications of the phones already which are being announced and also on the channel itself. So now the pricing of the OnePlus 9R in India will going to start at rupees 39,999, which is the 40,000 for 8 plus 128 gigabytes of variant. And also it will come into 12 plus 256 gigabyte variant for 44,000 according to Yadav. The device will launch in a carbon black and also in lake blue colors. OnePlus 9 price will start at rupees 50,000 for 8 gigabytes variant storage, and for the 12 plus 256 it will launch at 55,000 and it will come in winter mist, astral black and the arctic sky color option. Now lastly, we have the OnePlus 9 Pro price in India. It will start at massively 65,000 for the OnePlus 9 Pro for the base variant of 8 plus 128 gigabytes of storage, and the device will come with 12 plus 256 gigabytes of model for 70,000. It will launch in stellar black, morning mist and the pine green colors. The OnePlus will reveal its official OnePlus 9 series price at the launch event at 7:30 PM IST, and we'll be covering that too in depth also. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press that bell icon so you never miss a OnePlus video from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the very next one.